What is up, guys? I am trying to get on Skyline Drive here in Luray, Virginia, and I want you to look at this. I want you to look at this traffic coming off and coming on. It is, they got a lot of people. A lot of people. I think they're letting people that pass go.
Your left. Enjoy.
Thank you. Wow, all these people do not have a pass. Crazy, crazy. And you know, it's not the season hasn't got here yet. The leaves aren't even that bad yet. Crazy. It's beautiful up here though. The temperature is 69 degrees. It's cool. I was able to meet up with Billy, a subscriber, at his place here in Luray, which is pretty damn cool. It's you know, I've mentioned it all the time in my videos how meeting people is one of my primary things on my channel. I love interacting with everybody, and meeting people in person just makes it that much better. He also rides a KLR 650. I wasn't able to go out today, but he's busy. He runs a business, so he wasn't able to get away. And I'm sure from the photo that I post, you'll be able to tell what kind of business he's in. But anyway, I really appreciate him taking the time to letting me stop by and hang out for, hell, I don't even know how long I was there. An hour maybe. We just running our mouths like a couple of hens, just back and forth. But his wife came out, took a photo for us, and I really appreciate it, Billy. And like I said, it's not that far away, and I know you and your wife ride down towards my direction on occasion, so we'll definitely ride again, my brother. I promise you that. And I'll get a box of chocolates up here one of these days. That lazy ass, he didn't have nothing better going on. It's not like he lives far away. Charlotte's like a 2-hour drive, right? Oh, here we go, a tunnel and an overlook. That's what I'm talking about. I hope the overlook's not crowded. A lot of people up here today, I will tell you that. I was going to stop, but maybe not. I'm trying to get out of my way, but no need to. Beautiful. So I didn't think the colors were good enough, but there are some colors, so I will be taking some photos. I was talking to Billy about it up here, and he said it just hasn't been cold enough yet. Winter's coming though. I just don't know when I'll be able to come back up here. I got a lot of plans coming up. And if you're ever in this area, I don't care what time of year it is. Well, clearly it's better if it's not snow and ice on the ground, but I recommend you getting on a section of Skyline Drive and riding it. It's just gorgeous. It really is just beautiful up here. Is there waiting for me to stop over there? Yep. Well, I tell you, you know, they charge 20 some odd dollars, I think, for access to Skyline Drive per vehicle. They're making money today, which is good because that money goes towards keeping these places open for people like you and me to go check them out and to experience them. It's really beautiful up here, I'm not gonna lie. If I didn't have to work, I'd definitely love to live in a place like this. I mean, just look at the number of people crammed into these overlooks and parking lots, and these are people who are going hiking, so yeah, people bring bikes up here, and people are having a picnic. This is beautiful. So the leaves are somewhat disappointing, but meeting Billy was made the trip worthwhile. That was my priority anyway. I mean, I was headed up here for this, but he was able to meet up, so I turned that into the priority for this ride. And coming up here on Skyline Drive is secondary, especially with all these people. Holy crap! I'm telling you what, if you can get a pass, I would recommend it. You just notice I didn't have to wait in line back there because I had a pass. Get a pass. Well, I'll tell you, if you come up here during the peak season for leaves changing, foliage, whatever, be prepared, because some of these overlooks, you can't even get in them. They've got cars that are just waiting for somebody to pull out. So, and clearly I could muscle my way around on a motorcycle, but that'd be kind of rude, so I haven't done it. But I will tell you, these overlooks are packed.
Take me anywhere that you want. I don't even care if we come back again. And as long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as the sun shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear. And when you hold me, all my are healed. When I'm with you, I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are.
Well, okay guys, I am about to end my ride here on Skyline Drive. It's about 3 o'clock. I need to be heading home. It's going to take about an hour and a half or 2 hours to get back, so don't want to wait too long. I'll probably let the camera roll after this for some B-roll footage, although I didn't bring any other mounts so I could stick it anywhere else on the bike. So you just have to suffer through the one on the front of the helmet. But anyway, you guys be safe, and if you're not getting out and enjoying some of the outdoors in your area, you're missing out. This is drop dead gorgeous. You cannot see, smell, and feel this looking on a video or a TV set. So get out, smell it, do it, touch it, feel it, experience it. You guys be safe. Talk to you again soon. What's up guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me.
please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.